Hey, what's going on, guys? This is my latest challenge in my new series. You want me to do what? Enjoy the video. Yeah. Alright, it is gray, stormy, and cloudy out. It's a balmy, what is it?
It's 45.
It's 45 degrees Fahrenheit out, and this is my latest challenge in... You want me to do what? Yeah, this is Jesse. I am going to be jumping in a river because as one of my subscribers so kindly put it, go jump in a lake. I'm not sure this is what he meant, but I'm going to do it anyway. I'm going to pass the camera over to my camera woman, so he's going to freak out because she's on camera. Alright. Yeah, it's cold out. That is cold water. This screams stupid. Do not try this at home. Oh my nuts. This is gonna hurt. I do have swimming trunks on underneath this. I promise you don't have to watch me strip starters. Though I'm sure you'd enjoy that.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Not in the slightest.
Okay.
But when has that ever stopped me?
I don't know.
I said I'd do anything that wasn't incredibly stupid in this.
He's incredibly stupid?
Well, it is, but yeah.
It's not illegal, so I guess it works.
Don't get excited.
Imagine someone just walking through the woods, be like looking at this.
Oh, this is gonna be so cold. Like, my nipples are already hard.
That's not... I didn't need to know.
Just keep me inside of that.
If I trip and fall, it's not going to be my fault.
Yeah. That's quite an idea.
FYI, this is not my idea.
Oh yeah, this is quite cold.
Is it cold?
It's cold.
Well, go on, jump in.
Well, I have to get to a point where I can jump in.
It's May 1st. It's going to be kind of cold.
Yeah, I would agree.
Keep it down, there's houses.
Go in here.
Just lay down.
Don't get up the river.
Okay. You're insane.
Yeah, it's not big enough to go all the way in, but I'm just going to submerge myself, and then I'm going to go up there and dry off really quickly.
Well, hurry up before you get...
Countdown, I'm going to need it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Jesse, come on. Get up here. Come on, lad.
Okay, stop the camera. Fuck, that's cold. Oh my